Hi everyone, apa khabar? I hope everyone is healthy. Saya harap semua orang sihat. I'm sorry that I've been busy with work that I could not make long videos, but I tried to create short videos under the short tab section where you can binge them for less than a minute every 2 to 3 days. Enjoy studying them, okay? That said, since puasa datang lagi, which means Ramadan or the time to fast for a month comes again, in 2 or 3 days, I would like to take this opportunity to wish all Muslims wherever you are, Ramadan Mubarak, or in Malay we say, Selamat berpuasa. I have made a video last year on how to wish your Malay Muslim friends to welcome this blessed month in this particular video. Click the link above to go through the video again for a refresher. Well, until next lesson, sampai jumpa lagi.